Well, let's see what's going on over here. It's a pumpkin patch. Look at there. These flowers are going to turn into pumpkins. They're all over the place. They're taking over the whole yard. My little black-eyed peas over here are struggling because the pumpkin is taking over. It's going all the way down the stairs to the gate. And then it's coming back up over here. But there's lots of flowers, so I'm anticipating we're going to have lots of pumpkin. Hopefully it's not too late in the season, but we'll see. They seem to be flourishing over here, so hopefully they will turn into little pumpkins. I can't see any of them turning into pumpkins yet, but we'll see in the next few days.